Hey, this is Daniel with TLC 4x4, and behind me I got this beautiful 1988 FJ62. This vehicle came to us from California, and the customer purchased it, I believe, in 2018-19. When we got this vehicle, the exterior paint was charcoal gray. Originally the truck was white, so she wanted to get it back to its original color. So we went to work stripping the car completely down, stripped all the panels to bare metal, and then we finished it off in this Toyota white. As far as all the bumpers, grills, emblems, all of that stuff is OEM Toyota components. We updated the vehicle with new LED headlights, along with all LED bulbs throughout the truck. We eliminated all the chrome trim on the truck just to give it a more modern look. The wheels are already on this vehicle, so we just refinished them, repolished her hubcaps, and then wrapped the wheels with 33-inch Kenda tires. Even though most of our restorations receive an LS3 with like a 6L80 transmission, we also do a lot of factory restorations. So in this vehicle, we're running the factory 3FE motor along with a 440 automatic factory transmission. When we received the vehicle, the engine was seized. The crank was broken into 3 pieces. So we had to source another motor and take all the parts out of it and rebuild this engine. So the motor, transmission, and transfer case have been completely gone through. We try to replace all the parts that are attached to the engine with brand new OEM parts. So your alternator, water pump, AC compressor, power steering, all of those components get replaced. All the hoses, belts, radiator, fluids. Also, since this vehicle lives in California, we have to leave all the factory smog equipment in place. We also went ahead and painted the firewall, sandblasted the inner fenders, got them painted, the radiator support, and then also along with the bottom side of the hood. We refreshed all the suspension, shocks, and then we took the factory drive shafts, had them rebuilt. The really impressive piece of this vehicle is the interior. We spent a lot of time sound deadening the vehicle, picking out the right color, the leather, and the finishes. This customer wanted a factory appearing interior, but with modern touches. We reused the factory seats, front and rear. The front seats were taken all apart. We sculpted new foams and powder coated the seat frames. Same thing, same treatment went in the back seat. We disassembled the whole seat, powder coated the seat frames, new foams. And then from there, they went to work recovering these seats. We used Moore & Giles leather, and then we used a Relicate fabric insert to give it that OEM feel and look. We followed that up with tan stitching throughout the build. The door panels started like all of our door panels start. They were built from scratch. We reused some of the FJ62 components and then wrapped it in leather and fabric. As far as the headliner, first we've done our sound deadening underneath, and then we backdated it to an FJ60 headliner. We have also recovered our original sun visor with the same material as the headliner. We ran LED lights for all of our overhead lights. The dash components all have LEDs just for better visibility. We have replaced the dash pad with an OEM dash pad from Toyota that was custom dyed to match the interior color. We have taken the steering wheel and hand stitched a new steering wheel cover along with a horn button cover. Same goes with our grab handle on the passenger side. We have hand stitched that and covered in leather. We don't use store-bought carpet kits. Reason why is they never fit great. They always have a lot of extra carpet. It bunches up on the tunnel and you can never get it to look right. So what we do is we custom build our own carpet kits. With us building these custom carpet kits allows the customer to pick the style of carpet and the color of the carpet. Adding new weather stripping to a truck is important for a few reasons. One, the old seals are all cracked, dry rotted, and they do not seal good. Two, you get a lot of wind noise, so we want to eliminate that. So by putting new seals, we eliminate all of that, and it makes the doors really solid. So when you shut the door, it feels like you're shutting a door in a brand new truck. We spend a lot of time soundproofing our vehicles. It receives a Dynamat, and then it receives a Dynaliner. In the cargo area, we wanted to keep it as factory as possible, following the theme of this truck. So we just mimicked the original side panels and made a carpet kit back here. The back of this will get a rubber mat just because the owner has a dog that she likes to transport it. So trying to make it as dog proof as possible. Following in the hatch area and the tailgate area, we just replaced all the seals, all new window seals, and that's about it back here. This is a great example of an OEM restoration with just a few upgrades. Everything in this vehicle is pretty much bone stock, like it came from Toyota, except the interior and few of the add-ons that we've added onto the vehicle. If you like this vehicle and are looking to get your Toyota Restore, reach out to us and we would love to help you out. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more Land Cruiser content coming.